Kumar from ECE second year. I'm going to say about a operational amplifier. It is an electronic circuit device which increases the amplitude of signal. Waveform is same and the signal is stronger. Now you can see the difference: original sound sample and amplified sound sample. Operational amplifier. History of an op-amp was designed to perform such mathematical operation as addition, subtraction, integration, and differentiation. Hence, the name operational amplifier. Background. Originally invented in 90s, 40s using vacuum tube technology. Shrunk in size, the invention of the transistor most now made on an integrated circuit. Huge variety of applications, low cost and ease of mass productions make them extremely popular. These are the ICs. Passive semiconductors and national semiconductors. $741 op-amp internal circuitry. Op-amp, a multi-stage amplifier, differential amplifier stage, high gain CE amplifier stage, class B push-pull emitter follower. Op-amp equivalent circuit. Symbol of operational amplifier. Ideal op-amp, practical op-amp. An ideal op-amp Z impedance equal to infinity, Z output equal to 0, and A equal to infinity. When we coming into practical op-amp, Z impedance equal to 2 mega ohm, Z out equal to 100 ohm, AB equal to 10 power 5. Voltage transfer characteristics. Applications. Non-inverting amplifier. In non-inverting amplifier, V0 equal to V in. This is one V in into 1 plus R 2 by R1. Non-inverting op-amp circuit voltages. Inverting amplifiers. In inverting amplifier, V out equal to RF by R in V in. Op-amp summing amplifier. Op-amp differential amplifier. Op-amp integrator. Op-amp differentiator. Low pass filter. Its cutoff frequency FC equal to 1 divided by 2 pi R2C. This works because the capacitor needs time to charge. High pass filter. An example of high pass filter, active filter. The operation is used as a buffer amplifier. Applications of op-amps. Electrocardiogram amplifications need to measure difference in voltage from lead 1 to 1 and lead 2. 60 Hz interference from electrical equipment. Simple EKG circuit uses differential amplifier to cancel common mode signal and amplify differential mode signal. Realistic EKG circuit uses two non-inverting amplifiers to first amplify voltage from each lead followed by differential amplifier. Forms an instrumentation amplifier. Strain gauge use a Wheatstone bridge to determine the strain of an element by measuring the change in the resistance of a strain gauge. No strain balance the bridge. Half bridge arrangements. Op-amp applications. Op-amps applications. Audio amplifiers, speakers and microphones, circuits in cell phones, computers, MPG players, boom boxes, etc. Instrumentation amplifier, biomedical systems including heart monitors and oxygen sensors, power amplifiers, analog computers,